2014 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, iPod adapter, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, compass, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.